Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn off enhanced pointer precisions in Windows 11 laptops. So it is one of the very useful feature and you can turn off it from the settings. How to do that? It's very simple. Go to start menu, then search about mouse. Then you will get this search result, mouse settings. Click on that. Then you can see the third option is enhance pointer precisions. So you can simply click here to turn off that feature. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and this one is one of the best settings which you get some kind of adjustment for better pointer precisions in Windows 11 laptops. So you can simply turn off these things from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.